Recently, someone called me from South Carolina and had been very seriously injured. They were feeling the stress of not being able to work, and they wanted to know, how quickly can we settle the case? Well, there's a lot of considerations that go into settling a personal injury case. One of the first considerations that must be considered is, are you well? Have your doctors finished treating you? Are your doctors telling you you need another surgery? Or you may need 2 more surgeries? How are the doctors assessing you? Well, in order to settle your case, you need information from your doctors to determine what your case is really going to be about. If you're going to have surgery, or yet going to have another surgery, but you settle your case, then you're not going to have a settlement that reflects the fact that you've got more surgery. What does that mean? That means when you have that surgery and you may get to a point where you absolutely can't go forward without it, guess who's going to have to pay for that? You're going to have to pay for it because your case has already been settled and you can't re-open your case. Defendants and workers' compensation and insurance companies aren't going to settle a case without requiring you to sign a release that ends the case forever. Thus, you have to know what your doctors are saying before you can settle a case, yet we all know people heal at certain rates. Some people heal faster than others. Other people take longer to heal. You know what kind of person you are. So the length of your case is tied to how long it's going to take to settle your case. Or actually, how long it's going to take for your injuries to heal. Second, it's going to depend on what kind of preparation is going to be needed in the case. If you have serious injuries and you've consulted with an attorney, the attorney is going to need time to develop your case after the doctors finish doing their job in the case. That can mean going before a focus group and asking people from all walks of life that could be on a jury what they think about your case. And that means that when the attorney does that, the attorney needs to know what the doctors have concluded about your medical prognosis. These are reasons that a case can take a long time, and these are reasons that when you go to an attorney, people will say, well, if you go to an attorney, it's going to take a long time. Well, attorneys are going to be thorough with the case, and if you have serious injuries that can cause surgeries down the road, you need to know what can happen down the road, and you need an attorney to help you assess your damages. So that's the reason it can take a long time to settle a case. If you need someone to assess your case and answer more questions, call our law firm and we will assist in assessing the case and telling you the real truth about your case in terms of how long it's going to take. Call our office. We're here to help.